Understanding Seagulls Nesting, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, seagulls nesting. This phrase is not only picturesque but also a great example of how English can paint a vivid image with just a few words. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Seagulls nesting might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. First, let's break down the phrase. Seagulls are a type of bird commonly found near oceans and beaches. The word nesting refers to the process of birds building or occupying nests, the places where they lay their eggs and raise their young. So, when we say, seagulls nesting, we're talking about seagulls engaging in this very natural and important activity. English is a language rich in imagery, and this phrase is a perfect example. Seagulls nesting evokes a specific image. Seagulls gathered at their nesting sites, which are often cliffs or isolated shores. It suggests a season, as birds nest at particular times of the year. This phrase can be used literally, to describe what one sees, or metaphorically, to invoke a sense of peace, nature, or even chaos, depending on the context. Let's put seagulls nesting into some sentences to see how it can be used. 1. Observational. On our beach walk, we saw seagulls nesting on the rocky cliffs. 2. Metaphorical. The bustling office reminded me of seagulls nesting, full of activity and noise. Understanding how a phrase fits into different sentences helps grasp its versatility in English. Seagulls nesting might also appear in literature or cultural references. It can symbolize freedom, nature, or a return to one's roots. In poetry or storytelling, the image of nesting seagulls could set a scene or convey underlying themes, like the cycle of life or the concept of home. I hope this exploration of seagulls nesting has been enlightening and enjoyable. English is a language that's not just about words, but the pictures they paint and the stories they tell. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll not only understand phrases like this but use them to express your own vivid thoughts and experiences. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.